What up, party people in YouTube land? It's your girl coming at you live. Okay, maybe not live, but you know what I mean. With the ultimate guide on how to move to Canada as a student. Yo, listen up because we're about to break down this whole process easier than you can say poutine. Whether you're dreaming of world-class education or just really love maple syrup, this video's got you covered. We're talking visa hacks, university secrets, and maybe even some tips on how to spot a moose. Just kidding. Kinda. So buckle up, buttercup, because we're about to embark on an epic journey to the Great White North. Let's go! Okay, first things first. Why Canada, you ask? Besides the obvious reasons like breathtaking scenery and super friendly people. Seriously though, Canada is like the cool kid in school everyone wants to be friends with. They've got a killer education system that's recognized worldwide. A Canadian degree is like a VIP pass to awesome job opportunities all over the planet. Plus, Canada's all about embracing different cultures. It's like a giant melting pot of awesomeness, so you'll feel right at home no matter where you're from. And after you graduate, Canada's got your back with some sweet post-graduation work opportunities. So yeah, there you have it. Canada, the land of opportunity, education, and maybe even a chance encounter with a real-life Mountie. Alright my eager beavers, now that you're convinced Canada's the place to be, let's talk strategy. Before you pack your bags and book that flight, we gotta do some research. Think of it like online shopping for your future. The same goes for choosing your Canadian education. Big university life or small town college soul? What are you passionate about? Now for the fun part, researching. Check out websites, read student blogs. Found your dream program? Hold your horses. Let's talk admission requirements. Each institution has its own hoops. You'll need your high school transcripts and English proficiency tests like IELTS or TOEFL. Some programs need portfolios, exams, or interviews. The effort is worth it. Acceptance feels like winning the lottery. Time to make that dream a reality. All right, my future Canadians, it's time to take all that research and turn it into action. Get ready to fill out applications, gather documents, and become a pro at paperwork. Head over to the website of the institution you want to apply to. They'll have all the application guidelines and deadlines. Triple check everything and hit that submit button. You've officially applied to study in Canada. Let's talk about money, honey. Studying abroad can be expensive. But before you start hyperventilating, take a deep breath. There are ways to make your Canadian education dreams a reality without breaking the bank. First things first, let's talk scholarships and grants. These are like free money, people. And who doesn't love free money? There are tons of scholarships out there, from merit-based to need-based to ones that are just plain weird. Don't be afraid to apply for everything you're eligible for. Next up, check out government and external funding options. Your home country might have programs to support students studying abroad, and Canada has its own set of financial aid programs. And if all else fails, there's always the good old-fashioned part-time job. Canada allows international students to work part-time while studying. Just make sure you check the visa regulations and don't overwork yourself. Remember, your main priority is your education. Woohoo! You got accepted into your dream program, you figured out the money situation, and you're basically one step away from boarding that plane. But hold on, my friend. Before you start packing your bags, we gotta talk about the study permit. This, my friends, is the golden ticket to your Canadian adventure. Without it, you won't be able to study in Canada. To get your hands on this precious document, you gotta meet certain requirements. First things first, you need a valid passport, an acceptance letter from a designated learning institution, and proof that you can financially support yourself during your studies. Once you've gathered all the necessary documents, it's time to apply online or through a visa application center. Make sure you fill out the application accurately and honestly, because any discrepancies can lead to delays or even rejections. And trust me, you don't want to be stuck in visa limbo. It's not fun. You've got your study permit, you've booked your flight, and you're officially one step closer to your Canadian adventure. Now, it's time to channel your inner Monica Geller and start packing. But before you start stuffing your suitcase with every item of clothing you own, take a deep breath. Packing for a move, especially to another country, can be overwhelming. But fear not, my friend, because I'm here to help you conquer that mountain of luggage. First things first, let's talk essentials. Make sure you pack all your important documents in a safe and easily accessible place. Next up, clothes. Do your research on the Canadian climate and pack accordingly. And most importantly, don't forget to pack an open mind and a sense of adventure. Moving to a new country can be challenging, but it's also an incredible opportunity to learn, grow, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Congratulations, my friend, you've made it! You're officially on Canadian soil. Take a deep breath and soak it all in. You're finally here. First things first, head over to Customs and Immigration. Just have your documents ready and answer their questions honestly. Once you've cleared customs, collect your luggage. You can hop on a train, catch a bus, or hail a taxi. All right, my ambitious friend, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, money. As an international student in Canada, you're allowed to work part-time while pursuing your studies. Earn extra cash, gain work experience, and treat yourself. Work up to 20 hours per week during sessions and full-time during breaks. Two main ways to work on campus and off campus. On-campus jobs are easier to get. Think library assistant, research assistant, or barista. Off-campus jobs require a work permit. So, you've spent the last few years immersed in Canadian culture, acing your exams, and maybe even perfecting your hockey skills. Now, as graduation approaches, you might be feeling a mix of excitement and uncertainty. But fear not, Canada has some sweet options for international students after graduation. First up, the Post-Graduation Work Permit, PGWP. This document allows you to work in Canada for up to 3 years, gaining valuable work experience. Listen up, my friend, because this is important. Moving to a new country can be both exciting and overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Canadian institutions offer incredible support services for international students. Get to know your international student office. They provide information on visa regulations, academic support, and more. And don't forget about mental health resources. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. And there you have it, my friend, your crash course on moving to Canada as a student. From choosing the right program to navigating the visa process, finding accommodation, and embracing the Canadian lifestyle, it's an incredible opportunity for growth. So embrace the unknown, step outside your comfort zone, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Peace out.